Welcome. Today, let's learn how to use Google Drive files shared with you offline so you can access important documents even without an internet connection. This is especially useful when you're traveling, have spotty Wi-Fi, or just want to be prepared for any situation. First, grab your phone or tablet and open the Google Drive app. If you haven't already signed in, make sure you're using the account where the file was shared with you. Once you're in, look at the bottom of the screen and tap on the Shared tab. This is where you'll find all the files and folders that others have shared with you. Scroll through the list and find the file you want to make available offline. Next, look to the right of the file's name. You'll see 3 dots. This is the Options menu. Tap on those 3 dots to open a list of actions you can take with the file. From the menu that appears, find and tap on Make Available Offline. This step tells Google Drive to download a copy of the file to your device. Depending on the size of the file and your internet speed, this might take a few moments. Once it's done, a small check mark or icon will appear, confirming that the file is now ready for offline use. Now, even if you lose your internet connection, you can open the Google Drive app, go to the Shared tab, and access the file just like you would online. Any changes you make to Google Docs, Sheets, or Slides, while offline, will automatically sync the next time you're connected to the internet. Remember, you can repeat these steps for any other shared files you want to keep handy offline. This feature is perfect for students, professionals, or anyone who needs reliable access to shared documents wherever they are. That's all it takes. With these simple steps, you'll never have to worry about losing access to important shared files, no matter where you are.